Imagine trying to install 2.5 billion solar panels and 400,000 wind turbines in just 12 years. That's exactly what we need to do to meet our climate targets, and spoiler alert, humans alone can't possibly build fast enough. Right now, we're pumping 51 billion tons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere every year. To avoid climate catastrophe, we need to cut that in half by 2030 and hit net zero by 2050. The math is brutal. In the United States alone, renewable energy capacity needs to expand tenfold in the next decade. Here's where it gets interesting for engineers. The bottleneck isn't money or technology, it's execution speed. Traditional construction methods simply can't scale at the rate we need. Think about it. Inspecting wind turbine blades 300 feet in the air, installing solar panels across thousands of acres, maintaining offshore energy infrastructure in brutal ocean conditions. These aren't just challenging tasks. They're impossible to scale using human labor alone. This is where robotics and automated motion control systems become game changers. Advanced actuators and control systems are enabling robots to automate the most repetitive and dangerous parts of renewable energy deployment. We're talking about autonomous systems that can prep solar farm sites, mount panels with millimeter precision, and inspect wind turbines without putting human lives at risk. The same revolution is happening in sustainable agriculture with precision farming robots and in transportation with autonomous electric vehicles. For engineers and designers, this convergence of mechanical engineering and climate necessity represents the career opportunity of a lifetime. The technology exists. Now it's about scaling it to match the urgency of our climate crisis. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.